Welcome to Lesson 7, and in this Lesson 7 I'm going to show you how to create other data types or custom built data types that you would like to design from scratch. And one of those custom built data types or user defined data types is called enumerations, or enum for short. So let's take an example. But before we take an example, let's give a formal definition to enumerations. An enumeration defines a common type for a group of related values. Let's take an example. I have a series of related values here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, if I could group them together, I could group them as days of the week. So it seems logical for me to create an enumeration or enum data type called day that can only take these values. Any other values will throw up an error or give a compiler error. So what I do is I define a data type, enumeration data type called day. And whenever we define new data types, we always use a capital letter. Similar to when we created classes, the class always starts with a capital letter. So I use the keyword enum, the name of the enumeration called day, and I state using case statements what day can equal to. Now you may ask, why didn't I just create a string called day and then put my days of the week into the string? But then it's not what we call type safe. If I tried to put in the word August into the string called day, it would still take it. It will not throw up an error. So by creating a enum data type, enumeration, we are making this program what we call type safe. So it will only accept these 7 values and no other values. So if the user tries to put in an invalid value or string into this enumeration, it should throw up an error. The day names, these are called member values or members of the day enumeration. So once we've created the enumeration and we've assigned it certain values that it can take, we can then define variables of this enumeration. So here I'm defining a variable called another day of enum type day, and I'm assigning the value Friday to it. You'll notice that there's a bit of a duplication here. Okay. Another way of defining a variable of the enum data type is to do it what we call shorthand. We could say the variable name is called first day, and we can assign the value of Sunday, which is of enum type day. So the compiler will understand that Sunday is a valid enumeration. We can also do it in this fashion. Once the variable has been defined, first day has been defined and initialized with Sunday, I could change its value to Monday, and I could use the shorthand notation .Monday. Now, how would we normally use it in a program? You could use it in any fashion. You could probably do a comparison. You could create the variable, you can assign a value to it, and then you could do something like this. If first day is equal to Monday, then print first day of the week, right? But if it was something else, if first day was Sunday, then it would not print anything, okay? Only if it is Monday, it would print something. Hope you enjoyed enumerations. It was fairly simple concept to get. When we get back, I'll show you how to create other custom built or user defined data types.